One big back. Yes, my viewers. Hello. We have come back to today's session quickly. Waste no time because we are going to take a little bit of time today. But I'm going to be taking you through how to make a report simple using simple arithmetic and computational or formula functions in Excel. So without further ado, let me import my data. Let me import my data. That's simply it. It's okay. Yes, okay. This is our data. Simply just write total. For those who are in yesterday's the last video session, the introduction to Excel, we went through a simple function of the total, but I'm going to show you both functions and functions and function and formula. Formula. To average or mean function. This one has no yeah, but you can craft a formula for this function. And craft a formula for this. Okay, so these are my fields. Yes, we have total. First of all, I'm going to show you the total. The formula we said last time. The formula we just simply say this cell plus 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 this cell. All cells. Just simply click. You have your formula. So when you apply it to all the cells, we have the total. So this one we are going to use the function sum. Sum is that, so we take this range, we close. See, we have the same thing. So average for the for the average for the of the function. Sorry, the function we are going to use average average of the cells in this range. Be careful not to include the ones of total because they are not included. And you close, get your average. And that's my average. Now I can just let me see. I can I don't know if you are seeing what I'm doing, but this is reducing the decimal places. can reduce my decimal places by clicking on that this thing, this tab, that this icon here, which is to reduce the decimal places, then this one to increase them. You can also apply here now to all cells. Simply have the unit answer. So we go to the one for average of the formula. We can just simply say total is equal to total divide by. Now divide by, we do not use the divide by sign, the arithmetic divide by sign, but we use a slash. A slash, which is this one. That slash is there. Divide by the total number of cells, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6. Yes. So you can see that we have the same thing. The same thing. Yes. So so far so good. Yes. I hope everyone is still with me. I'm not going to fast. Now here comes the hard part. These functions, we are going to use functions referred to as if functions for both of these two, nested ifs and just simple ifs. So if we are going to equals to, by the way, I should never emphasize whenever you're using a formula or a function, you have to first start with the equal sign to activate the arithmetic functions of Excel, because you have to tell the program you want to do a computation. So that's why you are seeing me always using equals before every function or formula. Going to go ahead to if, oh sorry, rank. Rank, I'm going to use a function called rank. I'm sorry. The if will come in the comment. Sorry. I'm going to use a function called rank. Now rank is just simply a function which helps you to order your cells depending on a reference number of cells. You order a number in a given reference of cells in a specific order, ascending or descending. So what you're going to simply do is highlight this. That is the number you have to rank. But I'm going to rank using average, not total. I'm going to rank using average. So you put a comma. Actually, whenever you write a formula, they write to you the way you have to write your answer, your formula. So we have the number, which is what we want to rank in a reference of these from here to here. But then we have to make that range fixed. We have to fix that range such that the number we are talking about is just referenced on a fixed value of reference, values of reference. So for that case, I'm going to put dollar signs, dollar signs before and after the the letters, which is which denotes the row numbers of the. Sorry. Uh, comma. I'm supposed to select descending since I want my values to be according to the person highest gets the person highest gets the higher value. Sorry. I did a mistake. Let me try to redo it. Let me see. Sorry, let me first clear it up and repeat it. So I was saying we say equals to rank, the number we want to rank, which is this, comma the reference, our reference which has to be absoluted. I was supposed to put the dollar signs in the reference, so now can I put it on the other one, the number we are referencing. So that came out as it didn't work. But then I've now done the dollar signs on the, yes, I've now corrected it. So we have this, that is our rank number three. So when you apply it to all, we have these, sorry. So you can see that the person with the highest average, which is 89.8, okay, there are two. So two people having the same average and have the same position. Yes, one and two. But then the next person has the third position. That is strictly normal because we cannot have a second person where we had two past people. That is just arithmetically. It's not a mistake. Whenever it happens, just understand that it is how it is done. Yes, so we go to comments. So comments, yes, we're going to comment. We are going to use the if function. If is that the logical test is equal to is greater than, let me say 80, value if true, excellent, excellent. You have to make sure you have what's on your word, your comment. If get to is less than 70, value if true, good. Or the rest will be no. This is try hard because it is the lower value. Try hard. Good. Oh, yes. There we go. And we have our comments fully put. Yes. Thank you very much for tuning into today's session. I remain Agao Alex, yes, your host in our course. Thank you very much and tune in again for more.